Hello guys, welcome back. Now our accepted and reject buttons are actionable. So whenever a user click on accept, it will be replaced as accepted, and when a user click on reject, then the status will be replaced as rejected here. Okay, but the one tweak that we got in the last lecture, that accepted is showing in primary, rejected is showing in primary, and accepted here again is showing in primary. Okay, but now we need to change the color based on the status of this connection request. If it is accepted, then we need to show this like btn success. If it is rejected, then it should be btn danger, and if it is pending, then it should be btn primary. Okay, so we will do this using an instance method in the connection.rb. Okay, so switch to the project directory and open the connection model. So here you can get the model in app models. Okay, open this connection model, and here we need to add the instance method. So what we can do, def status btn. Okay, and here we can use case when statement. So case status. Okay, if the status is, I mean when status is accepted, then we can use btn success. When rejected, then we can use btn danger. Okay, and when is pending, or else we can use we can replace this else. Okay, so else btn primary. Okay, and save it. Now we need to use this status btn method. Okay, into the index.html.erb, where we are displaying the connection buttons. Okay, so here you can see that if connection includes in the accepted connections status include within the accepted or rejected, then we are displaying this connection dot status dot start titleize, and the class is btn primary. Okay, so now what we can do here, we just need to interpolate the string. So connection dot status btn. Okay, and we just need to do the same thing at the received block as well. Okay, so just copy this string interpolation, and here what we can do, we can simply replace this btn primary with our string interpolation, that is connection dot status btn. Okay, now save it and come to the browser, and when you refresh the page now, okay, here you can see all the pending requests are still showing in the btn primary, and the accepted requests are in the btn success, rejected are in btn danger. Okay, and this is how we can handle the dynamic classes in the rails or in the erb template. Okay, or in any template engines you can just use the same string interpolation way. Okay, and why I created this instance method into the model. Okay, if I wish I can just I was just able to handle this within the view template as well, but to handle this in view template you just need to add unnecessary if else here. Okay, then why not to create an instance method within the model and use that like this, I mean with the string interpolation way. This is a more better approach, and it shows the better code practice. Okay, so just do this at your end, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.